Hey friends, if you wish to fix system interrupts high CPU usage on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the cooling system of the computer. Make sure that the fan is uninterrupted. Make sure that the fan is working. And if it is a laptop, keep it in a cooler room. Make sure that the cooling system of the computer is working. This is necessary and this is the root cause of the problem. The next solution is to update all the drivers. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select Advanced Options in the right pane. Now click on Optional Updates and install all the optional updates. Return to the Windows Update page and click on Check for Updates in the right pane. The next solution will be to disable audio enhancements. And how would you do that? So right click on the system tray, and right click on the sound button. Go to settings, scroll down more settings, and then find the device which has audio enhancements. Check its properties, go to the enhancements tab, select disable all enhancements, apply, and then OK. The next solution is a malware scan. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and click MRT. This will open the malware removal tool. Click on next, select full scan, select next, and let it run through. And the last solution is obviously to run the audio troubleshooter. So right click on the Start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.